Good afternoon, garden friends. I am at the Master Gardeners Plant Sale and Expo here at the Cobb County Outdoor Arena. So I'm gonna go in, see what they have, hopefully be able to talk with a master gardener, plus see my friend Betty D, who is also volunteering. And of course, I do have my wagon because I am not going to leave out of here without something, because Betty told me they have some unique stuff. So come along with me. All right, so let's go on into here and see what kind of trouble I can get into. And it looks like they have an array of a lot of stuff. Daniel's landscaping. I think, oh no, I was gonna say, I think the inside is for items, but I look at this. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, so this is the Little Creek Farm Nursery. Hey, let me see. Oh, I like those hostas. But I actually need something that is for the shade that will provide color for me. What is this? Huh. Shade green leaves with showy yellow flowers, spring to fall. Oh, and foot traffic. Well, let me see the requirements. Heart to full shade. Oh God, I don't even have that in my yard. Let's see here. Okay, those are azaleas. There's a butterfly. Got an array of stuff. Oh, let's see here. Okay, Kevin told me to look for some peppers for him. I don't know if they have peppers in here. No, it's an elderberry. Ooh. Let's see. Excuse me. Are any of these hot peppers?
Some.
Okay, so he said, oh, what was he looking for?
This is a serrano.
Habaneros.
I have those at home.
Okay.
But they're not. I don't think I have any here. Our truck broke down, so we only have half of our inventory.
Oh.
But we could squeeze into a little car.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't have the few ones like the ghost and stuff like that.
Okay.
I don't grow those. I do have habanero. I'll have them here tomorrow. That doesn't help you. I have jalapeno, which is a jalapeno, but in a little bush-sized. Okay, and then this is my favorite that he might not find somewhere else. It's Santaka, and it's a Thai pepper, but it's a short one, not the long one, and it grows in a bush, and it makes all these little pods of little teeny tiny Thai peppers, and it's gorgeous.
Okay, so
It's beautiful.
edible?
Oh yeah,
Hot?
yeah. I use them, but it's not like a ghost pepper.
Oh.
You know, it's not hot like that. It's Thai hot. Like you use it. I use it like
You know
a
what?
long one.
Let me go ahead and get one of those.
Let me
And
find you the best looking one here I can find. Yeah, that baby.
okay, perfect. Now we pay you?
Yeah, but
Oh.
there he is. That's my husband.
Oh, okay.
And then, yeah, I have Pathfinder, which is a type of jalapeno. Cubanelle, that's sweet. Serrano. Oh, Dragon Cayenne. Dragon Cayenne. That's a cayenne and it's hot.
Okay.
And
Now I think this will end up being really good for him. Okay, Betty was not kidding. Okay, so these are hummingbird plants, and this is called a Agastache. And full sun gets 24 to 30 inches tall. And you guys know my garden is full sun, so I need to get these here. Ooh, and they have like varieties. You got sunset yellow, peach keen, apricot, mango. Oh, that sounds nice. But you guys know me, I like small plants so that I can work my magic with them. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these. All right, they have like an array of stuff over here. Oh, I love Guara, and I'm half tempted to get some more of those because those always do so well. And they have them 5 for $20. And I so love the pink color. $4 and $5. Okay. We also have herbs here. Trying to see
basically the green onions.
if they have the peppers.
Usually I get a pack at the grocery store and then plant the bulbs.
Okay.
But they have been coming back for years and years.
Oh, there's some fennel. Oh, coconut. Oh my God. Coconut geraniums. That sounds very interesting. And I do want some geraniums. Gray Lady. Oh, that is unique. Gray Lady Plymouth Senate geraniums. Now, what does it smell like? Oh, I don't like that smell. Whoops.
That's not helpful.
Got Garo. Oh, now this is, I think, the geranium that comes back. So, does it take full sun? Pink geranium. No, it doesn't say.
Do you want to try to get more of the strawberries just to fill
My
in
yard
that
is
bed?
just too sunny to where I need stuff that can handle the sun.
And my maples were.
Hello, my name is Donna Kennedy. I am proud to be a Master Gardener in Cobb County. I've been a Master Gardener since 2009. Today, I've been working the yard sale at what is the best garden plant sale in Cobb County, the Master Gardener Volunteers of Cobb County's Plant Expo, and we're at Jim Miller Park. There are 100 vendors here today, and the Master Gardeners have their own plants, which are just selling like crazy. And we thought we had more yard sale items than we needed, but unfortunately, all the yard sale is gone. They're in yards everywhere. So that's what we do. We have an office by way of the extension office of UGA, and that's where we operate out of. But this is our big fundraiser, and tomorrow we're still here from 10 to 4, but there will be no yard sale items because they're all gone. And we'd love for you to come. Come buy plants, come shop the vendors, have a good time.
All right, well, thank you so much,
You're
Donna. I
welcome.
appreciate it. Okay, guys, like the Master Gardener stated, there is so much stuff here. And of course, you know, I got some things. I also got myself a very cute, let me turn this around. All right, so I ended up getting a oasis and then some Agastache and also some more Guara. Because as you guys know, my garden is full sun. So I prefer to get annuals that will come back every year, and then I just have to top my garden off with annuals. Okay, and then this is the Mystic Spirea that everybody is talking about. Look at those plumes.
They're
Just
so fun. They're so
absolutely gorgeous. Man, and I'm deciding on whether or not I should get one to put up in my secret garden. I think I just might, because I like the height on them, and that would look really, really pretty up there. Okay, I've talked myself into it. And you know me, I'm getting one that is not blooming yet, because I like to be able to enjoy it. All right, guys, I am back home. And I will be changing my clothes so that I can get my new plants planted. All right, so let me show you guys so you can really see these. Look how beautiful that is. I think I'm going to put this in where I have my green beans so that can grow up the green beans. I got, this here is Agastache, which is a bright pink. Got some Guara, which is in the red. And then, guys, I didn't just get one. I got 3 of the, what are these called? The Mystic Spirea Blues. And the guy told me that don't plant them close to each other. Because, I mean, this is already probably about, what did I say? About 2 foot, 2.5 foot. But it, heat and drought survivor. It is requiring 6 or more hours of sun each day. Medium for water requirements. Space it 12 to 18 inches apart, and it grows 18 to 24 foot tall, and it blooms spring through summer. So I am really excited about putting this up in my secret garden. Some of these are going in the secret garden. Some of them are going in the back area, that where some of my daffodils have already bloomed, but I'm still keeping the foliage until it dies back, but then it acts as a cover. So I am so excited. And like I said, if you're looking for plants, but also plant art, go up there. They are open tomorrow from 10 till 4 at the Jim Miller Aquarian Park. But guys, you know, if you believe in supporting small businesses, individuals that contribute to our environment, go up there and show your support. And my friend Betty got me some flowered suppressant socks. So thank you again for visiting Inspiring Garden Corner, and you have yourself a wonderful day.